Hello friend, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best robot vacuum cleaners on the market. This list is based on our personal opinions and considers factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. For prices and additional details about the products featured, make sure to check out the description below. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product review videos. Alright, let's jump into today's video. Number 5. TINGBAI Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The TINGBAI Robot Vacuum Cleaner W11 is a compact and affordable robot vacuum cleaner designed for convenience and versatility. It operates with a power rating of under 800 W, providing strong suction without being overly power hungry. It comes with 2 pairs of cleaning rings and 10 cleaning cloths, making it ideal for maintaining cleanliness over extended periods. The vacuum operates globally without the need for voltage converters, making it ideal for international users or frequent movers. The package includes a 5-meter power cord and a 4-meter extension cord for greater flexibility. The TINGBAI Robot Vacuum Cleaner W11 comes with a complete accessory set, including a host unit, power cord, remote control, cleaning rings, safety rope, cleaning cloths, user manual, and after-sales warranty card. The vacuum is built from durable ABS material and CE certified, making it a safer choice for households with children or pets. TINGBAI, a brand originating from mainland China, is known for offering cost-effective, high-quality smart home solutions. Number 4. ABIR WD8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR WD8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a smart and efficient vacuum cleaner that offers powerful cleaning performance with 3000 PA suction power. It operates quietly, making it suitable for homes with children or pets. The vacuum features smart memory and automatic edge detection, allowing it to navigate your home with precision. It offers 4 cleaning modes: N mode, normal cleaning, Z mode, zigzag cleaning, NZ mode, combination cleaning, and fixed spot cleaning, targeted spot cleaning. The WD8 also features an auto/manual water spray function, enhancing mopping efficiency. It comes with a 650 mAh built-in battery and supports UPS power failure protection with a 40-minute backup time. Control options include remote control or a mobile app. The compact and sleek design of the WD8 measures only 216 by 216 by 62 mm and is built with durable ABS material. It has CE certification and a brushless motor for extended durability. It supports input voltages of AC 100-240V, making it suitable for a wide range of regions. Number 3. ZQOXINNOVA Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ZQOXINNOVA Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and efficient cleaning device designed to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. It functions as a dual-purpose tool, vacuuming floors and cleaning glass windows, and is designed to operate at a wide voltage range of 110V to 240V. The 4-meter cord allows for larger cleaning areas without constant replugging. The ZQOXINNOVA is a smart home appliance that can be integrated into any setup, automating cleaning schedules or reducing cleaning load. It is CE certified, meeting health, safety, and environmental protection standards, and contains no high-concern chemicals, making it a safer choice for households with children or pets. The device is perfect for window cleaning, acting as a window washer, window cleaning robot, and window washing device. The device's material construction emphasizes durability and effectiveness, making it a versatile and efficient solution for your home. Number 2. CHOVER Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The CHOVER Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and energy-efficient home cleaning tool designed for convenience and performance. It has a motor with less than 800 W power consumption and supports a wide voltage range of 110V to 240V, making it suitable for use across multiple regions. The compact device, made from mixed materials, is designed to reach under furniture and tight corners with ease. It features an emergency power supply system for safety and reliability. The 5-meter cord offers continuous power supply for those who prefer a hybrid of robotic automation. The CHOVER Robot Vacuum Cleaner is certified for safety and environmental compliance, holding multiple certifications including CE, CB, RoHS, and UL. It is chemical-free, with a high-concern chemical, none specification, making it safe for households with children or pets. The CL1 model, manufactured in mainland China, is a robust entry in CHOVER's smart appliance lineup, offering dual-purpose use for window cleaning. Number 1. PURUIKAI Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The PURUIKAI Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable, efficient, and safe robot vacuum cleaner manufactured in mainland China and certified with CE. It offers a powerful yet efficient operation with a power rating of under 800 W, making it suitable for international use. The vacuum has a universal voltage compatibility, supporting 110V, 240V, and an extended reach of 9 meters, making it convenient for cleaning larger spaces without frequent outlet changes. It is safe and non-toxic, ensuring no high-concern chemicals, making it suitable for households with children and pets. The model is made of durable materials, balancing durability with a sleek design. The package includes a robot vacuum cleaner, power cord, adapter, remote control, cleaning rings, 4-meter extension cord, safety rope, cleaning cloths, user manual, and after-sales warranty card. The PURUIKAI robot vacuum comes with a 3-year warranty, which is more generous than the industry standard, reflecting the brand's confidence in the product's quality and durability. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.